Hello friends, a lot of us love growing plants in water, whether it's a money plant, lucky bamboo, or even the trendy aglaonema. But did you know these plants also need regular feeding to thrive? Today I'll be sharing the best fertilizers you can use for plants growing in water, especially with products that are easily available in India. Let's learn how to keep your water grown plants lush and healthy. First, let's talk about why plants growing in water need fertilizers. Unlike plants in soil, water grown plants don't have access to the natural nutrients found in the ground. Over time, the nutrients in the water are used up, and your plant might start looking a bit weak or pale. That's why fertilizing is so important. It gives the plant the nutrients it needs to stay green and grow well. Have you ever noticed your money plant or bamboo leaves turning yellow in water? That's often a sign that plant is hungry. So, what kind of fertilizer should you use? There are few good options available and you can easily find them in India. First is liquid fertilizers. These are ideal because they mix easily with water. A good option is NPK 19-19-19, which provides a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium for overall plant growth. Second is hydroponic nutrient solutions, specifically designed for plants growing in water. They are a great choice here. It's a complete nutrient solution and helps in both root and leaf growth. Third are organic fertilizers. If you prefer a natural option, you can use diluted organic solutions like liquid seaweed fertilizer. This is gentle and provides micronutrients like iron and calcium. It's important to use the right amount of fertilizers, so always dilute it according to the instructions. Now let's talk about how to fertilize. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, change the water your plant is growing in, ensuring it's clean and free of debris. Next, take your liquid fertilizer and measure the recommended dose. If you are using like NPK 19-19-19, about 1 ml in 1 liter of water is usually enough. Add the fertilizer to the water and stir well to mix. Place your plant back in the fertilized water and make sure the roots are fully submerged. You only need to fertilize water grown plants about once every 4 to 6 weeks. If you notice the water turning cloudy or algae growing, refresh the water and add fertilizer again. Wondering when your plant needs feeding? Here are some signs. First is yellowing leaves. This often means that plant is lacking nutrients, especially nitrogen. Second, slow growth. If your plant isn't growing new leaves, it could be because it's not getting enough phosphorus. Third is weak or soft roots. Weak roots may indicate a lack of potassium and other micronutrients like calcium. If you see any of these signs, it's time to feed your plant. While it's important to fertilize, overdoing it can harm your plant, and over-fertilization can lead to root burn and your plant might start showing symptoms like browning of leaves or curled leaves. Always follow the recommended dosage. If your plant starts showing signs of over-fertilization, change the water immediately and don't fertilize again for a few weeks. Here are some great fertilizers you can easily find in India, either online or in local garden shops. This is not a paid promotion. The products mentioned are based solely on my personal experience and usage, and I recommend them because they have worked well for me. We can also use homemade DIY fertilizers for water grown plants, but with some caution and adjustments. Organic fertilizers like mustard powder solution, vermicompost solution or cow dung solution are nutrient rich and can provide essential nutrients to our plants, but they may need to be diluted more than synthetic fertilizers to avoid over fertilizing or causing root rot. That's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand how to feed your water grown plants to keep them healthy and vibrant. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your gardening friends and subscribe to my channel for more tips on plant care. Also, let me know in the comments what types of plants you are growing in water and which fertilizers you prefer. I hope you like this information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.